Hey guys, welcome to LTS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu 22.0 version. In this video, we will see the installation two type of method. The first method is GUI method. We're going to open Firefox. In Firefox, you can search Google Chrome. And click this download now. In here, you can see the download Chrome option. You can click this link to download it very easily. This is the first method. And second method is you can download the Google Chrome by using the console. I'm going to open console. And here you need to update your system first. Is this following command. Updation is completed. Updation. I'm going to install WebKit. If you don't have WebKit, you can install. If you already have, you don't need to install this. After, I'm going to download Google Chrome by using the WebKit. Don't worry, I will give you this downloading link in description box. Press enter this to download. The Chrome package is installed, and then do the following step. Press enter. After completion, go to search here, Chrome. This is our installed Chrome browser. Open this. Our Chrome browser is successfully launched. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe and support this channel. We will see the next video. Thank you so much.